Hi friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Arimail Wality 78 foutain pen and eyedropper one. And this is a green color marble finished body, and the pen has a silver trim set. There is a silver grip and a ring in the on the cap, and here the brand name Wality also stamped here. And here there is a window in which you can find the inks level in this pen. And this is number 4 nib, a fine tipped gold plated one, and you can swap the nib as you like, since we have number 4 nibs in various brands. So pen lovers will swap with the candid nibs, where you can find a fine, medium, broad, and again with a golden dual and silver plated nibs. And this is upon your choice, and for that you can go to our site and click pen spares and then go to nibs. Then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And here the holding area is smaller, so and shorter too, so this is highly recommended pen for school going children, like who has little fingers. And here the reservoir capacity also more, so you can fill more than 3 ml of inks. So this is a very good Workhorse pen. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pen regularly, at least twice a month, because all dye based ink will precipitate on long usage, so it will block the ink passage in the feeder. So you need to otherwise you will get a scratchy writing too. So, and slowly the ink will dry, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. So I think you may have experienced this, and the reason is the blockage in the feeder groove. So to clean the deposit and turns, please remove the feeder unit, the nib and the feeder separately, by holding the nib and the feeder together and twist and pull again. Hold, twist and pull. The feeder unit will come easily from the grip area, and you can also easily fix this back. Yes, this is a simple 2 minutes process. Then flush the feeder with the help of a toothbrush or the any brush that you have, and clean it well with soap water or in tap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean. And in the ink bottles itself, you can notice that on every fill it is recommended to clean the pens with water. Here I'm giving some sample. Here in Brill bottle, you can find that clean your pen with water before filling with Brill inks. And it is a unique formulation, prevents clogging, and it aids quick drying on paper. Yes, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good maintaining and cleaning, the flow will be affected. So, and then again on maintenance, all the threads tend to worn out. So to increase the life of the thread, please apply a silicone grease or Vaseline every time you open and close the grip area during the ink fill. And whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads of the barrel. So if you fill excess, leakage path will be created, and the pen will you will spoil your hands. And also few pens need to be fine tuned, because during manual assembly of nibs, the thighs may stick together. So gently push the thighs up and down. So for that you can use your nails or any small knives like this. Yes, and this will allows a good ink flow, and in turn you will get a smooth writing too. And please ensure both the lines are in parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen to a customer, we do this fine tuning and we'll check before dispatching. This is our usual practice. And here I'm going to give a writing sample. For that I'm using our pen of emerald green ink. Yeah, the nib is so smooth as butter. And if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can find our mobile number in our WhatsApp, in our pennos.in site itself, so you can call us directly. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.